Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix iCloud storage is full. So guys, if you have this type of problem you are facing again and again, the pop-up that is iCloud storage is full and you want to clear your iCloud storage, I'll help you how can you manage this. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you have to open your settings here. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your iPhone or iPad, and now you have to go back. Scroll it below. From here you have to click on general and update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, if you will find any update here, you have to download and install that update, and after this you have to go back. So guys, now you have to open your Apple ID here, scroll it below, and you will see the option of iCloud. So guys, you have to click on your iCloud tab and you will see multiple options here. So guys, the first way is you have to purchase iCloud if you have added any payment method here. If not, no need to worry, you have to turn off your iCloud photos option from here, and after this you have to go back, click on iCloud drive, you have to turn it off as well, and at last you have to turn off your iCloud backup. And guys, after doing all these settings, your problem will be fixed and that pop-up will be stopped on your iPhone. So guys, this is the way to fix this problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.